Welcome back to the Alaska, Santa Fe, and Pacific's Model Railroad. Well, I spent a couple days down at Butch's house working on his model railroad, so these are all the shots and videos of that. Hope you enjoy.
Well, we know who did that.
No, the company that makes the switch does this.
Oh.
Now, that should have been the only one, I think. We'll find out here. Okay. From here to here, it's a short. From here to here, it's open. From here to here, it's open. So now we got it. But we're going to put some more feeders on these two down the road so we got power. I think I'm going to put a pair right there, and then I'll go on the other side and do another pair. You want to do is fine.
Yeah, I'm doing a video. Just want you to know.
Okay, I think I need some screws to screw this track down. I don't see any here.
Okay. Hold on, let me go get some.
Motion detected at your front door.
Flags are blowing. I got my package delivery today from the guy that I didn't have a clue who his name was. Was that battery? He must have
Yeah,
been
you told me.
Must have been a seller for Temu or something. Hell, I don't know. But
Probably was.
okay, now I need to make sure that this line, well, it's still going to be, probably because it's that switch down there, is shorted across so we can take care of that problem. Okay, those are all pretty good. Or did I? I don't know. I gotta look.
Okay, I'm doing the video now.
That's okay. Take the meter over here and check this out now. So shouldn't have anything from here to here, which we don't. But we do here. Why? It's probably because they soldered jumpers across. They do that a lot on the switches. It's probably right here. There's one. I bet it's connected to the side. So let's see, what do I want to do? What I'm trying to do is trigger this light from this rail right here. Past the switch or right here when it changes. So let's see here.
Motion at your spotlight cam.
We got that section already isolated, so that's good. And most people don't want to talk about it because it's, I don't know, different things.
Well, they don't. A lot of people don't have interest in what's going on around them.
That's my sister. She's got her head in the sand.
And I know a lot of people like that. I was
She
surprised.
said, I just don't give a shit. I don't want to know. My one sister and I, we talk politics all the time and different things. And especially if it's anything political. She just, I don't want to talk about it. You guys shut up. Talk about something else.
Yeah, I know people like that.
She's the one, she went and got vaccinated because she had to. It was one of those things in the
Mandate.
working for the city of LA. She didn't really did. So, a lot of people regret it. I'm glad I didn't, but I don't know.
My thing about it, I took vaccines as a child, so I was going to take it because it didn't
You
matter.
knew about a lot of the vaccines were shit.
Yeah.
They've already proven now that most of these kids today that have what's the thing called? My Do you?
Or
For the track?
touch and go.
Well, we're going to fill these in and put another row out is what I was planning on doing. I might have to cut a chunk to fit. Where's your short box? You said you had some short ones somewhere? There we go. That's not going anywhere. All right, Butch. Next step. Yep. That's how they got there in the first place, right?
Yeah, dumb decisions.
Yep. Yeah, and some of them never learn. They just cycle right around and do it again.
That's what you see in prison, a lot of that.
Well, they sit around and talk about where they screwed up and how they're not going to do it again and how they can get away with it next time.
Well, what they do is exchange ideas.
Yeah.
And the dummy next to you tried the same stuff, and he's in here with you, so what makes you think he's got the answer?
And he's smarter. Exactly. Yeah, I don't know.
And then when he come back, that dummy still sitting there laughing at him.
Yeah. Okay. One more piece here. Now, here's the hard part. We don't have any way to cut a piece of plywood because I don't have a skill saw or anything here.
Your spotlight
Just do it the next time you come.
Well, we can't hardly put the track down or nothing because we don't have it.
That's okay. I mean, I know you can't. It's all just for one time use.
No, we need it. We got some pieces here, but they're none of them are wide enough. I
motion
don't
at
think.
your spotlight cam.
Or long enough or whatever. They're wide enough, they're just not long enough. With all the bedding and stuff that goes on, you know there's got to be some crookedness in that
Yeah,
as well.
yeah. And the league is promoting gambling.
Yep.
So what did I tell you? See, I tell people I don't gamble.
Yeah, I don't either.
If I'm gonna play something, I'm gonna play blackjack. Other than that, I'm not playing no roulette, none of that stuff. I don't do it.
I forget. My one sister lives in Vegas, so she's somewhere in Nevada. So she plays the slots all the time. But I don't think she makes any money on it. She just won $1,000 something, she said. But
I mean, it's money, but it's no money. You know.
the guy that was playing those pin coin pusher, though, that was something.
Now that's money.
Yeah, especially when I watched the rest of that last night. Shit, he ended up walking out with, I don't know how many millions of dollars of gold bars alone.
Shit.
So,
There are people who have systems that they, that they work
well,
for them.
He's built himself up to that, obviously.
Yeah.
You don't start out with $1 billion. Okay, we'll let all that dry. And put a couple little screws just to hold it down. I just use Elmer's on mine, but I should have used this adhesive because it works much better to hold it down. But that keeps it down in there. Okay.
That stuff the old men do.
Look at how hot that is. Melted right through there.
Ooh.
It's alright. It'll fill up with ground foams and crap when you start scenicking.
Okay. What we have here is a genius at work. No, but you know,
Explanation-wise.
but see, we all detailed in our different areas.
Right.
Cause I've known people tell me, well, you said just a thing, yeah.
Well, I don't know a thing about medical, so.
Well, mine's more social work and addictions.
Right.
And then they really get into me about that. Well, you think, no, I'm just telling you what I observed. I'm just telling you what I assessed.
Yeah.
Now, I can't, if you want to argue with me, then go ahead. Argue about yourself. I don't need to argue about, you can't tell me how I assess somebody. Now, if you're my supervisor or something, naturally, I don't have a problem with you asking questions. And if you're the client, you're supposed to ask questions. But I'm not going to get no bickering nobody about what got you here. And what keeps you coming back. This is what I see it. This is how I see it. And,
Right.
it's your life.
Your lifestyle and your choices
yeah.
literally just suck.
And if you want your life to continue down this road until it ends, then so be it.
Okay, there we go. And this is your ladder.
Yeah.
What did it break off?
It's like,
Yeah, it's got a little couple of holes here. Let's see which way does it want to go.
it always came loose. I started to put some glue in it.
Motion at your spotlight
I
cam.
think it goes like this. It probably needs to be super glued.
Well, if it's up there, it ain't going to come down.
Huh?
I said, if you get it up there, it won't come down because nobody will be moving it.
We'll go put.
Well, we got the signal bridge in, and we got all the switch machines with new lights. Got this signal hooked up and working. But you can look down and you can just see the bright green lights and the red lights all over the layout. So you can see the switches now. Got rid of those crappy LEDs that they come with and put in some nice bright ones so you can actually